Hello friends, welcome to this video. Today I'm showing you this AGPTEK deck lights. These are the solar lights which comes in a pack of 4, and the specifications are here that this is made of the metal aluminum body, and these are like waterproof, and I can show you all these things side by side. So here is the manual that describes everything about this AGPTEK deck lights. This will tell you for how long you have charged, like 4.5 hours of the charge can go you up to the whole night. These are the screw set that you can put these lights on the wall or anywhere you want. So as you can see, these are of metal, like aluminium metal, and these screws can go here to put it anywhere. This is the on and off button in the back, and you have to just turn it on to start the lights. Now to check it, I'm just covering this solar panel so that it recognize that is as a dark, and the lights will be on. You can see these small LED lights. So it is right now it's day, so you cannot maybe see it properly, but I will also show you in the night how these lights will show up. So you can see this design is really very nice because the both sides you can get the light. And because this is a metal, like strong heavy metal, so up to the 3 tons, if any car pass on it or come on it accidentally or things, so nothing will happen, this will not break. So I'm removing this protective covering from the solar panels so that I can use that or put it outside, and I can show you that how this will be charged and this will look. So as I said, this comes in a pack of 4 and the 2 sets of screws for all the 4 ones, removing all the covering from the solar panel and turning it on so that I can use it. So I am putting it outside on my driveway, like in a straight line where the sun is good, and then you can see it in the night how this looks. So auto on with that button, and whenever the dark is there, the lights will be on, and you can see these are bright lights, and then it will coordinate with each other like this, like you can cover that whole length and you can see the proper lights on the driveway. So the both sides are the lights and you can see the path. So this is IP67 waterproof. It's a metal material, and you can see, like if I put it for like the sides, then also it covers the light in joining, and then it looks really nice that it also lights up the path in between. So you can see the dark, it's really dark, and then you can totally see the lights. So these are the solar panel that get charged during the day, and now it's glowing the path. So it's very nice design and I like these lights.